If you love crispy chicken wings with real garlic flavor, not the takeaway kind, you're gonna love this. Today on Cooking with YJ, I'm showing you how to make super crispy garlic fried chicken wings at home. And trust me, stay till the end for the crunch. Start with 12 chicken wings. Cut them in half. Give them a good wash. Then let them drain for about 20 minutes. This step is important. Dry chicken means crispy wings later. Once the wings are dry, throw them into a bowl. Add a good sprinkle of salt and white pepper. One teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. 1 tablespoon of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Don't be shy with the garlic. Mix that first. Then add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Mix again until everything is nicely coated. Now add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. This helps lock in flavor. Mix well. What's up guys, the marinated chicken wings over here. Placing it in the fridge. Let it marinate for 1 hour. After marinating, take the wings out and remove the excess liquid. Crack in 1 egg and mix everything together. This is the secret. It helps the flour stick properly, so you don't lose the coating when frying. Heat up your deep frying oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Test the oil with a chopstick. If it bubbles, it's ready. Turn the heat down to medium. Coat the wings in bread flour. Make sure there are no wet spots. Fry for about 5 minutes. This is just to form the crust. Once done, lift them out and fry the rest in batches. Now for the second fry. This is where the magic happens. Make sure the oil is hot again. Okay, I'm turning up the heat. While I'm doing that, I'm just cleaning up my oil. Okay, I'm tuning back the heat back to medium. The oil is hot enough. Then fry for another 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the size of your wings. golden, crispy, and full of garlic flavor. And there you go. Easy, crispy garlic fried chicken wings. Crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Perfect for dinner, game night, or just because you're hungry. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button. Subscribe to Cooking with YJ and let me know in the comments, do you like your wings extra crispy or extra garlicky? I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!